Yes, sir. I
Okay.
submitted the documents and moved to L2, sir.
Okay. So what about any other issues you are having? L1 all you have completed, including service entry sheet?
Yeah, no, so service entry sheet still I get that error, sir. Like for account assignment, if I check for K, if I enter the account category as a K, I got a error like your account is not able to use, GL account is not able to use.
Okay. Can you share your screen? I'll ask people also to join.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Agashya, you can share your screen, Agashya, so we can check on that. Many people is getting issues in that.
Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah. Sir? Yeah, this was the error, sir.
1 minute. Yeah.
Yes, I'm here.
Hey, hi, Gautam. Welcome to FICO
Yeah,
L1, L2 team.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, no worries. Yeah,
So
proceed.
team, Gautam is our consultant. We are going to check this issue. Gautam, the thing is, there is some issues with the fields. We are doing service entry sheet.
Okay.
While doing service entry sheet, there are system is asking some mandatory fields. In
Okay, may
account
I know what?
type, in account type K, I guess please approve. Okay. In account type
Okay.
K, there will be some fields mandatory, right? Fields
Right.
optional and mandatory. But for this, we are using one GL account for service
Okay.
entry sheet, the
So,
GL account.
okay. Account assignment, huh?
Yeah.
Can you go to account assignment, sir?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. 1 minute. The GL account cannot be used in HST. Let me
Okay.
delete this.
ఒకసారి ఎఫర్ట్ తీసుకో don't do it. ఎఫర్ట్ తీసుకోండి సార్ అక్కడ.
ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను చెప్తాను మీకు. గివ్ మీ 1 సెకండ్. F4 అది కూడా తీసుకుంటాను. జస్ట్ నేను ఇక్కడ ఏ GL ఉందా అని చూద్దాం అనేసి. So Agasha, can you click this account assignment? It's not allowing. It's not allowing. Okay, boss.
Pick some temp data. No worries.
This is from configuration only.
Okay.
Service number. Agasha, can you please enter short text quantity? Short text. Okay, quantity. Give the price each.
Each cross price.
Yeah, give some 1,000 something. Okay. Now click on enter button. You are entering
Okay,
GL account manually. Agasha, are you entering GL account manually?
Yes, sir.
Why you are entering manually?
But
yeah.
One more thing, sir. Why the net price is 0?
Net price. See, it will come from service entry sheet, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
This concept. Okay. Cost center. Give the cost center, Agasha. Click OK. Now we are getting an issue. Wait 1 minute. Gautam, give me 2 minutes, Gautam. I'll try to do one small thing. Then you can check. Okay. Agasha, go to one more session.
Okay, sir.
Open FS00. I need
Yes,
to
sir.
check what is the variant that you are using.
Okay, sir. Just. So,
FS00. Go to that
Z003, sir.
G003. Open that. Double click on G003. General data. Okay. Next. Everything you kept optional. Okay.
Yeah, I just checked with whether the thing is
Yes.
I can able to check.
Whatever the thing that you have done is correct only.
Sir, sorry, can I interrupt if you
Yes,
don't
Soma.
mind?
Yes, Soma.
Sir, if you go back before material management, there is one this I think account assignment. In account assignment, you have 4 pages. So did you
Yes,
keep all
sir. In
4?
down
Yeah,
also there will
understood.
be some more.
Understood. Just go back, Agasha. Click that. Yeah. Now click that page down button. Fine. It will
Top
be on
right
top.
from last sixth one, I think.
Yeah, correct. అది కాదు. Agasha, please go back. Please go back.
Okay.
Okay. That is also fine. Go back. Hold on. Next, right. Hold on.
Yeah,
There you
sir.
have page down button.
Yeah.
Click that. Oh.
Okay.
Keep everything optional. Go to OBC4, OBD4, OBC4, right?
Yes, sir. Obviously.
Down arrow space.
Yes.
Down arrow space. That will make it faster. Down arrow space.
Okay, sir.
Okay, do it. No worries. Gautam, if it is not working, then we need to check at K level what field they are keeping as optional or mandatory.
Yeah, sure, sir. No worries. Yeah, I'll take care of it if it's not working.
If it's not working, we will come back to you. You can hold on just 5 minutes. We'll test immediately. Okay. Save.
So shall I create it again?
Yeah, go back and create it again.
Yeah. Now
That's
it's
it.
clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
The issue is cleared. But Agastya, I wanted to know one thing. Which field, okay, it is
Okay.
causing issue? You have kept everything as an optional, correct?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So, but that will not work in real time, okay?
Okay, sir.
So I want you to go to backend analysis. Like
Oh,
again, keep everything. So the reason is only additional account assignment.
yeah,
Remaining
yes,
all, you just keep it as a normal.
yes, sir.
Okay.